Hello everyone, we're back with the banana background, and today I'm going to show you how I achieve this really easy, simple, glowy spring, summer, everyday makeup look. So stay tuned if you want to see how I do my everyday makeup. While we're here, let's just do a quick teeth update. They're okay. Will I get them off soon? Who knows? My next appointment is next week on the 20th, so stay tuned. Do this to get the chins. Let's get to it. So first step is priming. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Primer. Just take a little bit of that and just throw it all over my face. Oh, we're in a hurry in the morning, so you just gotta put that right on. So next, foundation. I like to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Now this is completely the highest coverage foundation ever, highest staying power ever, but if you're not really in the market for that, for an everyday sort of makeup, I will also use the It Cosmetics CC Cream for a more dewy finish. It also has SPF, which is good for summer. Or when I'm really tan, because this is the lightest color, Lancome, I will use the Lancome Skin Feels Good foundation, and it just gives you such a velvety, beautiful finish. But I'm not tan enough for that yet, so I will be using the Estee Lauder. You should buy a pump for it on Amazon because the foundation doesn't come with a pump, and it's probably the worst thing ever. So I just take some pumps and just spread it out. Take a moistened beauty sponge, dampened beauty sponge, tap it out. You should probably not ever spend $20 on a beauty blender because it's not worth it. Just get these Real Techniques ones. They're like $5. Once everything is dabbed in, I will go in with concealer. Conceal with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer as well, because I just like my coverage every day. Because we got some things going on with our skin sometimes. And so I'll just go in. I need a little bit more. For under eye concealer, I like to use this Nars pot concealer rather than the wands or the tubes, because it's more bang for your buck, and this has lasted me forever. And so I just like to take my sponge and just dip in there, go right under the eyes. And this doubles as under eye concealer as well as an eyeshadow base, so you don't need to spend your money on an eye primer. Now, while everything is still all wet, because Estee Lauder dries down like no other, I like to get my cream products on. I've been using a liquid blush lately, just because I think it gives a nice fresh glow. It's the Flower Blush Bomb Color Drops for Cheeks. So this beauty sponge is multi-purpose, and I just like to put this all over my cheeks. Just smile to get it the right placement on the apples of your cheek and bring it back to your temple for a natural flushed glow. I want more. More is more, so I will do more. I tried to have a plant in my background. Is that nice? I'll put the plant there. My nose will invariably run doing foundation. I have these Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. This is extra fancy, but I just love my glow. And for doing liquid products, I'm just gonna stick with the liquid highlight too. So you just take the smallest amount ever and just dab it on the high points of your face. Take the smallest amount and just dab it. You know, more is more. I like to put it just everywhere. My nose, it's I don't know, in your inner corner, just go ham. Put it wherever you want because it's pretty. This goes for any kind of highlight you're using. So I like to use the Anastasia Brow Whiz and do my brows with it. So comb your brows up with the spoolie and just this is just to add a little bit more structure and color to your brow. It's a lot more forgiving than the pomade, the dip brow. I use that when I do more serious makeup. Just brush out your brows to blend that all in. Then if that's just not quite enough for you, as it is not enough for me, I will go in with a brow powder and or an eyeshadow. And sometimes I like my eyebrows to smell like chocolate. So I use the Too Faced Chocolate Bar, the dark brown color, and just go in to make my brows just a little bit more there. Just flick it up on the inside. See that? It's like a decent, quick, easy ombre looking brow. Step for brows is I like to run through with a little bit of Benefit Gimme Brow. Ugh. The Gimme Brow will just give you a little bit of extra color and a little bit of extra hold for your rogue eyebrow hairs, and I would recommend this product. It works great on its own or as applied as you just saw. Next is eyeshadow. Nobody has time to blend out eyeshadow every day, or at least I don't. And for the summer, I think you can get away with just a shimmery shade on your lid. So I like to use the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. It's just a nice gold color. And I just use my finger and put this just all over my eyelid. Sometimes if I'm feeling crazy, I will use an actual eyeshadow and use the Urban Decay Half Baked Single Eyeshadow. It's just a really beautiful gold shade. It's just a pretty gold. I'll just put some on. Okay. But I just use a brown liner because it's less harsh than black. On a extra fresh day, I will usually just throw on that Gimme Brow and a little bit of nude liner in my waterline. Today I will do a little bit more. So I take this Lancome Black Coffee Kohl liner and I just put it on the outer third of the eye. Don't bring it all the way in because it will close your eye off. I also put it on the upper lash line, but it helps to make your eyelashes look thicker. This is dangerous business. Just look down and stay calm. As we're trying to look soft, take a little pencil brush, blend, just bring it out. If you have hooded eyes like me, this is a great way to do your eyeliner. And just bring it out into your eye flaps. You see that? And if you bring it out here, I don't know, it looks cute. It's just a little bit of extra definition to your eye flaps and creases. Who doesn't want that, right? Now, for my last step, I like to take some of this Stila liquid shadow in the shade Gold Goddess, and for a little je ne sais quoi, you just pop it in right here. It's a little extra something something. Takes half a second, and I think think it looks nice. Lastly, we have made it to eyelashes. So I like to curl my lashes. I don't know if it actually does anything, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So for mascara, I either like the Stila Huge Extreme Mascara, or I just got a sample of this Pat McGrath Fetishize Mascara, and it's still in my heart. I don't know. It's better than the Huge Extreme. On mascara without opening their mouth. One coat. Look at that. Lastly, for lips, I like to use a lip oil for a glossy lip. I think a liquid lipstick with such a fresh look looks a little bit weird. So I don't particularly like the sticky feel of the lip gloss, so I think the lip oils are a good alternative. Ulta makes a really nice juice infused lip oil. You can see it's quite well loved. I wear it a lot. I also use this Nars Orgasm lip oil that they just came out with. It's great, so I'm going to use this today. So you can stop here and be done with it, or sometimes I just want to be a little bit bronze. Here's the Hourglass Diffused Bronze Light Bronzer. And I'm going to use this to pretend that it's not snowing in May. So I'm going to put that under the blush for a little bit of extra color on my temples, just, you know, wherever the sun would hit you. If the sun rises in your region, because it doesn't in mine. If you don't like a liquid blush, I think the Milani Luminoso is probably the best blush ever invented. Why don't you just put it on? Because just concentrate at the back of the face. Okay. So I just put on powder products, so I will use MAC Fix Plus to make it all melt into the skin. So if you're looking for a no makeup, glowy summer look, then give this a shot. Thanks for watching.